This is the review and reflect. You may want to pause this video here so that you can write down the review as well as the reflect in your notebook. In order to complete the review, we are asked to name the system as well as to state its solution set using z-arbitrary if necessary. One of the things that we need to notice is that we have 0 is equal to 0. We know that that means that this is a consistent and dependent system. So that names our system. Because it's consistent and dependent, we do definitely need to use z-arbitrary in order to tell our solution set. So what we need to do is we need to solve for x in terms of z, and we need to solve for y in terms of z. So we have two equations. What we notice is that we have 3x minus 5y is equal to 31. So I'm going to solve for either x or y. It really doesn't matter. I'm going to solve for x. So I'll get 3x is equal to 31 plus 5y. And x is equal to 31 plus 5y all over 3. So I'm going to put this value for x into the other equation. So instead of writing x minus 2y minus z is equal to 8, I'm going to write 31 plus 5y over 3 minus 2y minus z is equal to 8. Because you guys love fractions, I'm going to multiply everybody times 3, so I get 31 plus 5y minus 6y minus 3z is equal to 24. From here, notice that the only thing we don't know is y. Z I know is arbitrary, so we just need to start solving for y. When I add these two, I get negative y, so I'm going to bring it on the other side, so it becomes a positive y. On this side, I have negative 3z. I'm going to subtract 24 from both sides, subtract 24 from both sides, and I get 7. So I now have that y is the same thing as 7 minus 3z. Now let's go solve for x. We're going to use this relationship that we have in the box in order to solve for x. So we know that x is equal to 31 plus 5 times 7 minus 3z all over 3. So that gives me 31 plus 35 minus 15z all over 3. So I'm going to get 66 minus 15z all over 3, or 22 minus 5z. And that is what we have for x. So that's 22 minus 5z. Now we're ready to write our solution set. Because we are using the z-arbitrary, our solution set will be a point of 22 minus 5z. Y will be 7 minus 3z, and then z is arbitrary. So this will be our solution set for this consistent and dependent system. And that ends this video.